Today we will be discussing which animal girls are the best from a scientific point of view, because this approach will guarantee us a bias-free result. So let's begin. For clarification, we don't talk about these animal girls, those are for furries, and we are the men of culture. I did a lot of research for this video, as you can see right now. First, we need to list the most popular types, at least the most popular ones at this time. There are cat girls, raccoon girls, fox girls, horse and donkey girls, and dog girls. Then there's the rest that no one seems to like more than the main ones, like insect girls, snake girls, bird girls, and dinosaurs. Firstly, we need to examine their animal origins, starting with dinosaurs. We don't know how these animals would react to humans, but we can expect them to be highly aggressive towards humans. Next are all the non-domesticated animals, like snakes and insects. Those are not very appropriate for humans, because those tend to be shy or aggressive, so probably not the best option. Now to the main ones. Raccoons are not domesticated, so they are on the bottom, because even though they usually aren't aggressive, they can be shy. But don't be sad. The behavior of raccoons in cities changed drastically over the last decades. As you know, domestication makes animals friendly towards humans. By looking at this table, you can see that foxes were domesticated in the 20th century. Cats, donkeys and horses were domesticated around the same time. Dogs were domesticated somewhere between 100,000 BC and 15,000 BC. Obviously, the domesticated ones are on the top of the list, but there can only be one at the very top. Horse and donkey girls cannot be at the top, because you can only ride them. But here's the thing, you want those girls to ride you, not the other way around. So, only fourth place for horse and donkey girls. Foxes were only recently domesticated, and they tend to have a rather strong odor. This gives them the third place. In order to decide which will be the best, we need to look at the behavior of cats and dogs. Dogs will show their affection by being next to their humans nearly all the time, and obviously by licking them. Another clear sign is a wagging tail. Cats are more solitary and they usually don't like to be around their human all the time. They show their affection mostly over gestures. If they show their affection physically, it's mostly by rubbing themselves on you. As you can see, dog girls are the better choice if you want to cuddle. Now let's take an old saying into account. Man's best friend is the dog, and man's best partner for a relationship is the woman. And because dog girls are both women and dogs at the same time, they're rightfully on the top of all animal girls. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some research to do.